Chief, you defied my instructions not to go out or engage in any workload.
Doctor, you don't expect me to lie around here doing nothing.
Chief, but you have capable hands running the affairs of the company. If you do not restrain, I am sorry, other complications may arise. And I do not know if your heart is capable to bear the pangs for another surgery. Ma'am, you are a doctor, and I am sure you know exactly what I'm talking about.
I have been talking to him. He won't listen.
You want to force me into an early retirement?
If I have to force you to retirement, for you to be hale and healthy, I will. Because you have a capable man, for goodness sake, to run the affairs of Nnamani's dynasty. Get out.
You heard him the last time we talked about it. That young man has no interest in the Nnamani's dynasty, and you know it.
It doesn't matter what he wants. This is a necessity, and his opinion is inconsequential. This family has been running on a relay race, and his won't be any different. Dillion is your successor.
And you know the rules. No bride, no seat for him as the head of the dynasty.
Well, what needs to be done will be done. He has to do what has to be done.
We all know the way it went last time.
Well, this time, it will be different. I am going to arrange a conference call with Dillion and Laura. Go and prepare the household for dinner.
You this silly girl. Must you always startle someone?
He's coming back. He's coming back.
He's coming back, and why are you this excited?
Dillion is coming back from the UK.
Hey, shush. That's not true. And even if what you say is true, why must the information come from you? I mean, why must you be the first to know, huh?
Hey, Miss Blogger. Low budget Linda Ikeji. We know you know it all. But I'm sorry to burst your bubbles, darling. This particular information eluded you this time around. Dillion is coming back from the UK.
Hey, and why are you jumping like a frog, like he's coming back for you?
Of course he's coming back for me. He is coming back for me.
In your dreams.
Don't I have what it takes to be the next Mrs. Nnamani?
Sorry, the pepper in the food I'm cooking in the kitchen is choking me.
Is that pepper that will kill you there?
Sorry, I don't mean to be rude, but if anyone should have a shot at Dillion, that woman should be me. What's funny?
Are you remaining somewhere or this?
Oh my God. Listen up. You girls are living in fool's paradise. I mean, do you realize the caliber of man we are talking about here?
Tell us.
I'll tell you, my darling. A fifth generation multi-millionaire.
Oh, yeah.
The son and heir apparent to Nnamani's dynasty. Does that ring a bell?
It doesn't ring a bell. Miss Blogger, Madam Forbes magazine, tell us what we don't know already.
So you know. So why do you choose to remain gullible, huh?
Bianca Sabiman, or whatever you call yourself, don't insult me. We went to university, so don't even try to use grammar to confuse me. What's the meaning of that one now? Queen, I may understand. Just stop it there.
Chelsea.
Yes?
Or whatever you call yourself.
Shush.
What makes you think that Dillion cannot fall for us?
Because you girls do not have the requisite class, the poise, the confidence to be Mrs. Nnamani.
Chelsea, you're a very funny character. So is it you now that is standing here? Abi, you remain inside.
You're around me and my sister.
Is it you that has the requisite class to become his wife?
Of course, my darling. I am a graduate of the prestigious Downtown University of Science and Technology. A member of the alumnus of the same great institute.
You have seen me now. I'm a graduate of the Uptown University of my father's village.
Maybe. Who knows?
You forgot to add that you're a master's degree holder in washing plates and wearing big shoes.
Whatever. You know what will kill you? Is jealousy. Yes, you always ooze of jealousy because you know you can't even measure up to my standard. As a matter of fact, you are not even up to my shoes. So girl, choke on it. You know what? I don't blame you. You see this job? It's temporal. With time, I'll take a walk.
Abia.
Well, if you ask me, I think we all should stop quibbling and get into a contest. And let's see who get picked by Dillion.
Beautiful. Let the contest begin.
You're just wasting your time.
Una defunny me, oh. Una really defunny me. Wait. You all want to go into a contest?
Of course.
For a man you don't even know if he's coming back to Nigeria with another woman. And, madam, I know it all. Chelsea, what gives you the impression that there are no such ladies? What did she call it again? Poise and class.
Requisite class.
Yes. In the UK, that you will fly over 6,000 kilometers just to come get who? You.
I'm special.
Chelsea.
Wait, you all have common problem. And you know what that is? Long throat. Long throat is your problem. You've stayed long enough in corridor of wealth. That makes you all think that you have a room here. You know what? Go back to your duties and stop gossiping.
Pot calling kettle.
Daughters of Jezebel. A1 in gossip. F9 in common sense. What are you gossiping about? Instead of you to invest your time to develop yourself, you sit around here, eat and gossip. Fools. And you, the very one with POP on her legs. I'll take care of you. Idiot.
No, slap
POP on her legs.
What if you don't slap her?
POP on her legs. Stop wearing POP on her legs.
Can you
Come on, girl.
Looking like a mess.
It's not Madame Kweko that asked me to leave the room.
Why?
Because she doesn't want me to listen to what she was telling Madame.
What could she be telling Madame that she doesn't want someone else to hear?
I think it has to do with finding a wife for Dillion.
But why would they be looking for a wife for him when he can't do it himself?
Exactly! My question exactly. Why would they be looking for a wife for him when I'm here? You know.
When you're where?
When I'm here.
Tora, I think you should go back to what you were doing before. Than standing here and wallowing your own foolishness. Don't you think?
So you call this foolishness, Abby?
But that is it.
No problem. Just wait until I become Dillion's wife. By that time, you'll be begging to have a word with me. Don't worry.
By that time, I will be the wife to the president of this country, you know, right? Dreamer, keep dreaming.
You're getting dressed already.
As you can see.
But I'm here to get satisfied.
I didn't come here to get you satisfied. I came here to get laid.
Come off it, Chelsea. Stop the pretense, okay? I know you love me and you get into my arms whenever you want to. So why acting up?
Please, don't think so highly of yourself, alright? Anyways, I don't have time for all this your nonsense. Are you expecting anybody?
No, I'm not. Did anyone see you walk into the room?
How am I supposed to know that, huh?
You are summoned.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything should be fine.
Listen, I don't want to get caught. If anything happens, I'll kill you.
You put yourself here now too.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I summoned you here to inundate you about what to expect in the coming week. We will be playing host to Dillian, who is slated to return and take over the affairs of the dynasty. So I expect each and every one of you to be well behaved and well dressed. If I find anyone wanting, especially you the girls, I would not hesitate to send you back to the trenches where you belong. And you know that I have the powers to do that. So, I would not tolerate laxity, gross misconduct, or gossip around here. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now get your stupid and poverty-stricken selves out of my sight this minute. Get out. Maurice?
Yes, ma'am.
Get me a glass of wine.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop laughing now. Be coming down. Wait. It's now. Good day, all. This is to. Good day, all. I called you here to inundate. We are to play hosts to Dillian, who is slated to come back to take over the affairs of things in and around here. If any of you, especially the girls, you and Chelsea, not me, if any of you is found wanting, I will not hesitate to send you back to where you came from. You forgot the gossip part. Let me do it for you. She went like this, she said, be about your duties as I will not tolerate any form of laxity, unnecessary gossips, and you not hear us, Jared.
Obasabi no go kiss Stella. I swear, ever since she was made the chief domestic staff, she has been thinking, carrying herself like the madam of the exactly. Guys!
Olivia.
Listen up, girls. I understand your pain, alright? But trust me, all this will end soon.
Ow. Ow.
Question. When I become Mrs. Dillion Namani, I will ensure that you girls are adequately taken care of.
It's not adequate.
Sorry. Right on with your speech.
Right on, ma.
As a matter of fact, I will ask my husband to increase your salary and promote you.
Joseph, the dreamer. Mind you, the dreamer. Chelsea, the dreamer. Keep dreaming.
Right on, my sister.
You girls can laugh all you want, but believe me, it will happen soon. Very.
When you become Mrs. Dillion, please, Mrs. Dillion, go.
I'm not asking for too much. Just make me your PA. Abi? I don't even know.
You don't want anything.
I don't even know the one I want.
Chief Vice. Me? Chief of staff, exactly. She, PA.
Me, she
Chief Vice mate. Sorry, Mrs. Dillion. Chicken, sorry, Namani.
Of the Namani's dynasty!
Offense! Like this.
Mrs. Dillion. Rubbish. Look at this one. Come on, girls.
You will see. Just watch and see.
Nina, hold up. You can just take some time.
You guys ain't gonna see me coming. You can laugh all you want, but I assure you that it will come to pass. If you like to believe, if you like to don't believe, you can laugh all you want. I will be Mrs. Nnamani. Take it or leave it.
They play.
Oh, GM.
Good day, Chief.
Good day. Here we go.
Okay, sir.
So, how are you?
Everything more. You like it?
Sure.
So I'll give you the
Sorry,
privilege.
say it like to us. Yes, I did. I have them here.
I shall peruse them later.
I love you. He said it's only business. If it's not business, I shouldn't come. I was stubborn, was gentle. But here we are. I'm about to feed the same lady.
Okay, Chief. I will do just that. I have to be on my way now, Chief.
Sorry.
My greetings to everyone. All right, Chief.
Hey, good day, Ma.
Good day. You must be Diamond.
Yes.
You are indeed Diamond.
Oh, thank you.
So how is your fashion business?
Fashion.
You're into fashion, aren't you?
Of course. Fashion business is going on well. And if you must know, I love making dresses for renowned, influential, beautiful, high-class women like you.
So I've got a double package. A daughter-in-law and a fashion designer. All in one.
All in one? Yes, actually. Thank you.
Love your smile.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Ma, yes. The table is set. Just in time. Let's go and eat.
Food is ready. Okay.
After you.
My bad. Wow. This wine, my dad takes it a lot. This wine is made in Dubai. Dubai, right? Togo. Maybe Togo. Yeah. Servant. 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 Pick this thing up. Pick it, pick it. Pick it up. Stew up.
Jane, this is not a laughing matter. Can you imagine that small girl asking me to pick up the towel that she used in wiping her smelly mouth? Just imagine.
She did it on purpose?
Of course she did.
If you ask me, there is trouble.
How do you mean?
Our individual plans to get Dillion, marry any of us, may have come to an end with the arrival of that girl.
Impossible! I can't allow that nitwit have a chance with my Dillion. Not in this life, not even in the next life.
And that nitwit happens to be the only daughter of Chief Magnus Diribe. Does that name not ring a bell to you?
I don't care if she is Dangote or Otedola's daughter. That brat, or nitwit like you called her, is no match to me. Come on, girls, take a good look at me now. Look at me, full of Sean. I can cook, I can sweep, I can clean, I have sense, I have Nkiruka and Azuka to back it up. Does that not make me a complete wife material? 1 million yards?
Oh, please. I am Chelsea, the exclusive reserve of the rich, mighty, and influential.
Influential? Just like Fred, Abby?
Fred? Well, every woman has a Fred in her life, right?
You mean to say every woman has a free servicing cucumber?
Jacob, that's serious.
It's very important.
Thank you so much for the dinner. I really enjoyed myself.
It's good having you. So we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Right. All right, you take care of yourself, all right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All
Right.
Mom,
Yeah.
what do you think about her? Does she have the qualities required?
Well, physically, yes. But it remains to be seen, what she has to offer on the inside.
Well, Mom, you don't need to worry. She has a good upbringing, and I'm sure Dillion will love her when he sees her.
Oh, speaking about Dillion and his eventual return, how far have you gone with the preparation for the gala night?
Oh, I have everything drafted out. I think you should come see it.
Okay.
Are you still on this?
Yes, ma. I am almost done.
For how long? Listen, I will not tolerate such lackadaisical attitude here. Okay? Everything around here has time and you must keep to it.
I am sorry, ma.
Rubbish. And what do you have behind you?
Ma? My hands.
Damn it. I mean, what is in those stupid hands of yours?
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, right away, ma. I'm not done with you yet.
Look, don't mind that stupid Stella. Very soon, you will be mine. And mine alone. I love you.
The drum is for Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. Oh, the drum is for Dinian. For Dinian.
I know you would be whispering among yourselves, asking questions like, who is she? And why is she here? Well, let me formally introduce her to you. Her name is Diamond Diribe, the daughter of Chief Magnus Diribe. She's not of your class. Don't go there. Where in a matter of weeks, she would be assuming her conjugal duties as the wife of the sole heir apparent of Namani's dynasty. And you were mandated to respect her to the letters. If she for any reason complains about mistreatment from any of you, I would not hesitate to sought the permission of the madam of the house to send you all back to the trenches where you belong. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Diamond, darling. Would you want to add anything to it?
You know, anyway, you all should just keep being the humble servant.
Servant, shut up. Servant.
And try not to get under my melanin delicate skin. That's all. That's all.
Now let me break that to your level. She said you should not get under her delicate, melanin, and expensive skin. Is that clear?
Yes,
ma'am. Now get your half-baked selves out of my sight. Now.
Right now, please. Thank you.
Get out, forward, march, out. Out, out, gossip, out.
We are fully baked.
Half-baked gossips.
I'm not even baked at all.
Get out, look at her, oversized boots. Get out, busybody.
Come on now.
My darling, would you want something to eat or drink?
Yes, so I'm hungry.
Don't worry, it's just a call away.
What is this?
It's rice, ma.
You must be very stupid. Of course I know this is rice. I mean, what kind of a tasteless food is this? Aha. You brought poison for me to eat. No, you want to kill me. Aha.
Poison?
Mm-hmm.
Ma, there's no poison in this food, though.
I don't understand. What do you mean there's no poison in this food? Oh, are you trying to say that I don't have a taste bud? No, you're trying to call me a moron, a fool, that I'm not able to differentiate what tastes good and what doesn't. This is obviously poison. I mean, even an animal can't even survive this. Let alone a human being like me. This is poison.
There's no poison in this food. I've been cooking in this house for a very long time and nobody has ever complained of my food. Even governors and presidents that come to visit Oga in this estate, I've cooked for them as well. I've not had any complaint.
Wow.
You don't know what you're talking about, though.
Bravo. Chef. So you're proudly telling me that you've been feeding this household with rubbish? Huh?
My food is not rubbish. My food...
What do you mean your food is not rubbish now? Who can survive this food?
My food is not
Your
rubbish.
food is rubbish. Don't tell me that. This food is rubbish. Who can survive this? Now, look at it. I can't even swallow it. You know what? You're insulting me. You're calling me a liar and a fool. But you know what? I am going to report to Stella. Yes. Stella must hear this.
Might not insult
that you brought poison for me to eat.
Might not insult you. I'd not insult you, but if you want to go and report to Madam Stella, no problem now. Go and report now. No problem.
This is...
Eat that one. No problem. Eat it.
Bring that food back. Can you bring it back?
So you have the effort to insult Dillion's fiancé.
Stella, I didn't insult.
Excuse me? What did you just call me? No, say that again.
Chief of Staff, I didn't insult her. She was the one who said my food was tasteless and poisonous and wasn't good for animal consumption, let alone a human being. So I had to take it away.
It's not true. I mean, I only pointed out a few things that was missing in the food, and then she got angry and took the food away.
Hey!
Yeah.
You're lying now.
How am I lying? Are you?
You're calling your boss's fiancé a liar? Really? Okay, fine. I will let this slide this time. But the next time it repeats itself again, I will send you back to the trenches where you belong. Now go right in there, prepare her a fresh meal, and make sure this time around is tasty. Now get out! Out! Get out!
What if she doesn't like the food when I make it?
It means that you are stupid, useless, and irrelevant to this dynasty. And that means you have to leave. So go and prepare a fresh meal. Get out. Get out. Stupid girl.
And please sauce it well.
Look at her. Oh my dear, I'm sorry. You know, they just sit around here, eat, consume food that they can't even eat in their houses and grow big like fools. I'm sorry, my dear. She makes something nice for you.
How did it go?
Can you imagine that stupid girl that calls herself Diamond, Abi, Bronze, Abi, whatever her stupid name is? Telling Madam Kwekwe that she never said my food was tasteless and poisonous. That she only pointed out what I should have done. Torachi, you have suffered. That she only pointed out what I should have done to have made the food tasted better than it was. Just imagine that kind of stupid talk.
You know, the very first day I set my eyes on her, I knew she's going to be a trouble to all of us.
Hey, all of you, not me. She tries that nonsense with me. I'll so beat her and damn the consequences.
You would risk your job?
What job? I don't care about the job. If she tries that nonsense with me, I'll show her why they call me Chelsea. Wait and see, just watch. Rubbish.
So did you make her another food?
Yes, I did. But I wish I put poison in that food so she will eat it and die. She should not worry. Another time is coming. Sis.
Ma'am,
I
mean, can't you greet?
Oh, I'm so sorry, my greetings.
Servant, what do you want?
I came to tell you that I've been seeing the way things are going around here, right? Especially between you and Dora. But I've come to tell you not to mind them. Yes, they are only jealous of you. They are jealous of the fact that they cannot even get up to your fingernails. Alright? Amongst all of them, I am the most educated one here. And I have chosen to be by your side. Alright? The whole thing happening here is steaming jealousy. Jealousy inside poverty. Yes, ma'am. Poverty.
So if I understand the rubbish you're trying to say, you want to be my eyes?
Exactly, ma'am.
And my ear? In this estate?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, that's a point worth considering. But if I may ask, at what price?
Price? There's no price, ma'am. I just want to do the right thing by standing with you.
Anyway, I'll think about it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me the opportunity at least.
Olivia!
Okay, what is it now? Why did you wake me up?
Why are you sleeping by this time of the day?
Is it your business?
I'm not special. Are you holding close to your heart?
None of your business.
None of my business.
Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, in case you have forgotten, Dillion is on his way back to the country.
Hey!
Your twin has arrived. Yes, and we need to get you prepared to receive them right now.
Look at you. You look so cool. I told your mom that I can still run, but she won't take it.
Because she wants the best for you, Dad.
My goodness! My goodness! Oh my God! What? The lion! God! The lion! Mark! Hey! Do not try to take my shine. Step aside. Thank you. Okay. Billionaire. My name is Oscar from Alabama. And trust me, you owe me quite a fortune for taking care of your son. Will that house to me? Your friend really has a great sense of humor, you know.
Yes, Dad. You have not seen anything yet.
Oh, mommy. Look at mommy. And look at daddy.
Yes.
Look at them looking like vampires all the time.
Come on.
And I have to take good pictures of you guys. To show my friends in the States.
Sorry, please. Without you, please.
The lion. This is a country home. You have mosque. You have church. You have library. In your house.
Of course, everything. Anything.
Alright, can we all go inside?
The lion.
The banquet is ready. Come on.
The lion. The lion. The lion. You have ATM machine. In your house. ATM machine.
Let's go.
I am not going back to Alabama.
I know what you're wearing.
Oh, really? You do?
Yeah. It's a choice of color, actually.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me help you with that.
Okay, thank you. I thought I fixed that already.
Yes, but it's not properly fixed.
Okay, thank you.
You look so cute.
Hey, come on! What's that about?
I don't understand. I mean, I thought we were together. I thought we were lovers now.
Lovers? You don't even know me. I don't even know you yet.
Come on. I mean, what is there to know about you?
Hey. Stop. Okay?
Hi, sir. I got you fruit juice.
Okay. But next time, you ask first before bringing anything.
I am sorry, sir.
And you? I mean, what is this you're wearing?
Sorry?
Sorry, what? Don't you dare pretend you don't know what.